I'm in the small town of Ekeby in southern Sweden, and behind me you can see the now closed Skrombergaverken. In this place in Sweden, something was made that everyone in the world knows about.
We have just left Circular Quay number 2. We're passing the Opera House here on the right.
Over 50 years ago, this factory provided the white tiles for the Sydney Opera House in Australia. The Opera House was designed by Danish architect Jørn Utzon, and Utzon worked closely with the company in the production of the plates. One of his employees attended each firing of the plates to sort out which could be sent down to Sydney. The building's 16,000 square meter facade was covered by 1,056,000 glazed white clinker tiles made out of clay.
I approached the factory to see if I could get a glimpse of the interior. I don't think I should go in here without a helmet.
So I went in there and I got a number for someone who has a kind of museum nearby, so I decided I'm gonna give them a call. Ja, hej, jag heter Martin. So I'm now on my way to meet up with someone to learn more about this and also maybe see some artifacts from the time. Jättetrevligt. Och tack för snällt. Hej, hej.
They were so kind to give me a private tour of the little museum, which among other things consisted of material and artifacts from the factory. Truly fascinating.
The production in this factory was run until 2008 when all operation was shut down. Skrombergaverken was then the last remaining manufacturer of tiles and clinker in Sweden. But one of the legacies of this factory's long history can be viewed in a harbor on the other side of the world. But even though production has stopped, new ways of utilizing the facilities has risen. This, for example, is X-hallen, formerly Experimenthallen. In here, the tiles for the Opera House were tested over and over to perfect the product. Nowadays, these facilities are used as a gym, a bed and breakfast, which I highly recommend, and a yoga studio. Skrombergaverken and Ekeby have so much history, but they're also looking to the future. So if you can't make it to Sydney, this little town in southern Sweden is a good place to start.